Okay, let's have a quick tour of ScoreView. We start with the ScoreView startup page, where on the right hand you can see the different devices that are connected into this and the overall status of the system. And then on the left you have menus to choose new templates to start with new sports, or you can pick an existing project that you're already working with. So let's go ahead and do this. This takes us into ScoreView itself. From the top left we've got the full video board display, and to the right of it we've got audio mixers. Below this, we've got these big fat buttons, which we call shot layouts. Each of these takes the scoreboard to a different setup. What's beautiful about this is it's very smooth to go between them because they're built out of multiple layers of different components. You can even click away and bring up the full game itself in the switcher, which is the bottom right. Let's go back into this though and learn a little bit more about this setup. In this particular case, we've got a scoreboard across the bottom, and then on the sides, we've got different promotions that are being delivered, in this case by a spreadsheet, but there's different ways to do that. And then, of course, we've got the live video in the middle. Now, let's say we want to replace that live video with a hype video that we've got to play. We could have a different layout that does exactly that, or perhaps we want that to be full screen. We can do that too. Now, let's go back to the game itself, and looks like somebody's scoring a touchdown. Great. Let's do an instant replay. Let's catch that moment when he's just landing, and then we start the instant replay. We can cut on it too. There we go. And then back to the full scoreboard. Now, how does this all work? Let's go to the setup mode and we can show you the components that build this. What we have here is the project list. At the top are the 4 shot layouts, and then below them are all the elements that build out each of the shot layouts. So you can see here we've got a lower third scoreboard. Here we've got that boxed video. We've got the sponsor wraps, remember those? And then we've got the hype video, both the full size and then the boxed version. And then we've got the full size scoreboard and the background. And so you can see how each of these shot layouts is actually built out of multiple components. As I click on these, you can see the different ones turn on and off depending upon the configuration. Finally, we've got this stinger transition, and it's worth showing you here. This is the design tool that is used for creating all the graphics. It's a simple, straightforward, multi-layer design tool with drag and drop animations. It's really well built. This is the same title tool that goes into all of our products. And finally, we've got the 2 cameras.